Hi everyone, today I'm playing chess. I moved a pawn 2 steps. Now my opponent is moving his pawn 2 steps. Yay, I killed it. Now he did 2 more steps. Now I can't kill it, so I'm gonna bring my Rishabh out. Okay, now he also moved it. Now I just killed his now. Okay, now he's bringing his queen out. Okay, that's kind of dangerous. But okay. Now I moved my queen closer to the horsey. Now he moved his horse, same as me. I also did. Okay, now he's bringing his pawn. No, he's not. But he's bringing his pawn 1 step. And I'm gonna kill the pawn. Okay. Now he's moved his pawn 2 steps, and I just killed his queen. He just killed my horsey now with his pawn. Now I moved my pawn 1 step. Now he moved his king. Oh, he changed his mind. He moved the pawn 1 step now. Now it's time to bring another Rishabh in. Okay, he just killed my Rishabh. Now I just killed his horsey with my Rishabh. Okay, he literally killed me with his alley. Okay, now I just killed his pawn with my queen. Okay. I'm gonna bring mine together. Okay, he just killed my pawn. I'm not it. Okay, I just killed his pawn too. I moved my king 1 step to the left. Okay, I just killed his one. Phew. Okay, now he just moved it 1 step. Okay. I will kill his horsey. Okay. He is going for my king right now. Okay, he gave me a check, so I'll just move right now. Okay. I should just kill this Russia over here. And I should just give it a check. Okay, he just moved it forward. It's time for the match. Oh, it's still a check. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna move my queen all the way here to kill the pawn. Yay! I'm winning so far. Okay, he is going for my elephant. Now I just killed it. So it's a check now. So okay, he's moving backwards now. I will move my queen backwards then. He just moved his pawn. I just moved my queen to the right. Now he's moving his king to the left. I'm gonna bring my horsey. Wait, no. Pawn, no. Maybe the elephant? No. The queen. Check. Oh, you already moved before me. Okay. He is moving. I'm going for the attack. Somehow. Okay, I'm just gonna kill the bishop. Check. Oh, he took a coward. He found a shelter. Okay, he moved. Check. Why? He's just gonna stay there, I feel like it. Okay, I'm gonna move forward. Okay, he literally just killed his own pawn. Okay, he moved his pawn now. Check. Wow. What? Okay, this is an insane match. Check. Check. Okay. Now he can't kill the pawn. Okay. Okay. Now, wait. Still check. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Hooray, I won! See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.